As you see, guys, that the Bitcoin weekly candle here, it finished, and Bitcoin today gave us here a hammer or a pin bar, a bullish hammer or a bullish pin bar in a very stronger zone, guys. As you see it, if you came here and you do it like that hammer here give it to us in that last low here based on the close of those candles here. Now let's see if that breakout here it's real, because guys, the market doing there exactly like that. Came back, it tested here. Now let's see if it's going to give us a new all-time high. That possible, guys, because from here we are going to know if it's going to give us a new all-time high. That number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it? From here, going to give us a price action or something. Then from here, it's going to dump, because if you're looking with me here in the weekly, like that, guys, if you're seeing with me here, those candles here, you came to that green candle here, to the top of it and the low of it. We got here an inside bar in the weekly, guys. So we need to see which direction is going to be broke. Down here, that man short. Above here, that man long. And also we still waiting. By the way, guys, before I continue it, I want that video to reach to 100 likes. Yes, my friend. I know you haven't smashed that like button, and a lot of you do watching the video without smashing the like button. It will not take you nothing from your time, and you are not going to lose nothing. Just smash the like button. It meant a lot to us. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord, where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also, we've been killing it even in the weekend, guys. As you see it, we enter along a swing trading in the Bitcoin. It gives us 50%. We enter another short in the Bitcoin here. That one just to 7 to 10%. As you see it here. There it is, guys. That's the short. It reached to 10%. We take some of the profit. Then the market reverse upward. Today we enter along in the XRP, as you see it here. Let me show you the earnings of XRP here. There it is, guys. The other guys here. Actually, the XRP is hitting for us the first take profit. Then we enter another long in the SOL. As you see it, guys, here. I'm going to show you more. There it is, the SOL. Look at that. 28%, 33%, 43%, and that 51%. Me, I take from it more than $1,000, guys, as you see it here. Then what we do, we enter along in the Ethereum, as you see it here. 2%, 5%. Actually, that long in the Ethereum is not going well. But also, we know how to manage those things, guys. As you see that the SOL here, I take from it $1,000. So if you are interested to make this type of money, my friend, without bias, without nothing, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video. And in the first comment, click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. Click at join. That one here, if you see it, because that one is only for those ones. It's not applicable to them, tax sales. If you see it, fair enough. If you don't, click at that one here or that one. Finish payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps. Still, you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down, and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, let me show you what I'm talking about. You came here, you change it from candles to lines like that. You see it, guys, what I'm talking about here? You see here that last high here, that one here. We couldn't break it, guys, and that pin bar will happen here. It happened in that last high here. That very good sign, guys. Let's see if the Bitcoin now going to come and to break for us that 111k. Now I'm talking here about weekly, guys. Let's see, after the candle here, maybe the Bitcoin going to come more higher. We got here that inside bar I just show you. We got a lot of things here in the weekly. Let me show it to you. We still have here that trend like that, guys. We've been talking about it a lot here. Now, either the Bitcoin going to break for us and to push more higher. That number one scenario. Second scenario, from here going to dump. And that one here, that 111k being the top. So also we're still waiting to see which direction that Bitcoin going to take based on weekly candle. We got a lot of things here, guys. Let me show it to you. We show you that one here. We still have here that bearish divergence here in the weekly, guys. As you see, that one here is a bearish divergence here in the weekly, as you see it, and we haven't broken the downtrend of the bearish divergence, guys. So you need to be careful about now what's going to happen. We need to see the Bitcoin breaking that bearish divergence. Also, we got that one here. That the only things we got here in the weekly? No, we got a lot of things. Let me show it to you. We got that one here, guys. You see that volume profile, that zone here where we are stuck now. Let's see now based on that inside bar where we're going to break, because if we couldn't break that last high, guys, as you see the next stop, which is down here at 65k, guys, and that very bad. Yes, we got zones here, that one here, and we got even that one here. But the stronger one is it's here at 65k. Those ones here, I know some people they criticizing me at 95, and that one here at 85k, guys. So those ones, the levels and the zones, you need to look at them based on moving averages. Also, we're still in a sharp uptrend here in the weekly. There is nothing changed, guys. We're still in an uptrend. Now let me show you my chart, what it's saying today. Based on my chart, guys, we still have here that uptrend from that one and that one. We came back, we tested here, as you see it here. I know it's a little bit confusing. You see here, that line here, not the halving, guys. That one here, that 500 days before the halving, and that one here, that 500 days after the halving. That meant here that 500 days after the halving, not the top, guys. Also, we are very close to the top. Top is going to be exactly at September, guys, that number one scenario. Me personally, I'm still waiting the Bitcoin to go to touch for us 134k, because that's what me I hope to happen. But guys, also we are very close to the top of the market. That's the only things I can tell you. From where me I'm going to buy Bitcoin, I'm talking here about long term, guys, down here 35k or 40k. Well, let's see if the Bitcoin going to dump to the down here, or from here going to break and to go more higher. So I think I explained everything to you based on the weekly here. Here in the weekly, also we are in a very stronger zone, guys. As you see it, we touched it the first time. Now we came back to it. Maybe the Bitcoin going to do for us like how it happened here in 2021. That possible. Second scenario, maybe it's going to break and to go more higher. Even that one, it's possible. So I think I explained everything. There's going to see it coming news for all the week, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. That's the coming news for all the week. As you see, the week is going to start. Actually, that one here of Monday, it came for Japan, GDP. That one, it doesn't affect cryptocurrency. Monday, what we got? We got a holiday day in Australia, the King Bird Day. Wednesday, what we got? We got very important news, guys. In Wednesday, we got core CPI or CPI data or inflation data of USA. And the forecast here, it looks like it's going to get bad, guys, from 2.3% to 2.5%. And it looks like it's getting bad. Let's wait and see. Plus, we got crude oil inventory and 10-year not action. That's in Wednesday, guys. In Thursday, what we got? We got the GDP of UK, initial jobless claim of USA, PPI is inflation data, plus 30-year bond action, plus in Friday, the last day of the week, we got Germany CPI or inflation data of Germany. So that's the news we got, guys, for all the week. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day, guys. As you see it, guys, here, the table of us. Nasdaq started the week green, SP 500 same thing, the Dow Jones same thing. Our friend down here, the VIX, also we tell you that we haven't touched wall for us thinking of to take some of the profit. It's left for it more room, guys. SP 500 still going above, even stock market. There is nothing to be worried about. Even Trump and Elon Musk, they're fighting together now at this time. But that doesn't go into affect the market. The most important is those tariffs and the court. It's ban everything. So I think I explained everything. There's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here Bitcoin today, he came to that zone here and show us here a pin bar here in daily, and Bitcoin doing exactly like how us we told you. We told you we got here a head and shoulder. Every time it happened, it's breaking down here. Now it came back to hit stop losses above the second shoulder, and after that it's going to dump, guys. That's the view of me. Only things we wait if the double bottom here, that one getting broke, that's meant Bitcoin maybe from here going to go more higher. We show you even that one here like that. We told you now we focused about that uptrend. If it's going to be broke here, we're going to catch a short. So that what we got here. Even here we used to have here a small flag, guys. That one here, that one is getting broke. That's why also we entered that long in swing trading. Now let's ride it if it's going to go more higher or from here going to dump. That's what also we're doing every time, guys, because now if we're looking at it, it's going to give us like that, guys. If it dump from here, it's going to give us a big head and shoulder. And if that happened, that the top, guys, 100%. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you, which is that one here, guys. The Bitcoin came touch for us the 20 moving average. It looks like there is no power to break it. We need to see today candle if we are going to break the 20 moving average. It's when we go back to bull market. If it's not, guys, and the 20 moving average hold it, Bitcoin going to fall down and to break the 50 moving average, because that it happen every time, guys. That scenario like that. Let's see if that's going to happen that week. And also we are ready for all scenarios, guys. And that's why also we're telling you, if you want to make money with professional people, that's the job of them. We show you the trade of us, no losses, guys. That's more than 3 weeks, no losses. If you want avenue to make money, you can join us. If you want to stay outside and you stay losing, you try to catch in scalping, you try to be rich quickly, that doesn't work, my friend. Remember that. If you want to know how professional people they do it, welcome. If you want to stay struggling, it's up to you. You find 25 bucks expensive. Sorry, my friend. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's going to see Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Bitcoin here in 12 hours, he testing for us that 50 moving average like how it happened here. Now let's see if the Bitcoin from here going to dump. Also we enter a short day trading from here because also we enter a long and we hedging that long by a short. That's what also we doing every time. We see if the Bitcoin going to dump because the 20 moving average look like we are downtrend, but maybe we are just going to touch that 20 moving average then after that to pump. Even that one it's possible, guys. And also we are ready for all scenarios. That way also we telling you can join us. Levels, we stay have the same levels, guys. That one here was exactly that 20 moving average at 104,672. So this was the levels. We need to look at them. Let me show it to you. Levels staying the same, guys. We don't got nothing new here. We got that level here at 102,603. We got that one here now at 108,570. And we got even that one down here, 98,840. But I don't think so. We're going to fall down to that one. Based on option, we are not going to break that two levels here. Top here 113 and the low here 100k. That the range for all the week, guys. If you're using a boot, you can come, you put the top here 113 and the low here 100k and stay playing with it here if you want. Even that one is possible. Now it's going to see Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. You remember that one here? We show it to you. It's getting broke here. That's why also we enter that long. The Bitcoin it came tell here. So also we still waiting now if the Bitcoin going to break for us the take profit for that flag here. That one also we been talking about. Let's see if we are going to come back at least to 111k. Not possible, guys. The other thing we got here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. You're looking with me here, that one here, it's like a double bottom, guys. That one here, we show it to you, even that one before. We told if it's breaking here, you can catch along. Now here, in smaller time frames, we got here like a double top, guys. That one here. If it's getting broke here, we are going to catch a short. That's what also we doing every time, guys. We catch it from here till the top here, and now we got a shot and we try to catch it down because that market, guys, you can't trust in it. So that's what also we doing every time. Yes, there's still some stop losses above here. Let's see what's going to happen to them. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here at the place where is the boost, the controlling. Technically, what it's telling us, we are going back above to touch here extreme overbought area. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen. Level or zone, also we are in a very stronger zone here, guys. As you see it, we touch it here. Let's see what's going to happen here. Either we break it, that's when we pump, or no, from here we're going to dump again. Because that market, guys, those days doesn't go straight away. It's always working with waves like that. That's what also been telling you. Now, let's go in to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here for scalping and day trading, also we enter a short from here. We aim in the market to fall down. That's what also we doing every time. Now you, if you missing the entry or you are not in our VIP Discord, you came here to those ones like that, and you waiting that Bitcoin to break here, because if we break it here, that's when the Bitcoin is going to dump, guys. That number one scenario. Second scenario, it's just going to touch it here, like how it happened here. And from here, going to pump again. Even that one, it's possible, guys, because now it tried to give you here like a small up channel. And the market doesn't got volume, guys. So maybe from here, going to come back again like that, started playing like that. Even that one is possible because the short, there is no power to push it down, guys. Now, let's see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, also been waiting all along that bearish divergence here. That one also been waiting it. We enter a short from here. We aim in the market to fall down because that's our job, guys. How also we are going to hedge the risk for our long, because also we got a long from down here as swing trading. So if that market showing to us is going to dump, we need to hedge it like that. We are going to catch the top, and that's why us every time we telling you can join us. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys, and make sure, guys, to watch other cryptocurrencies, the Ethereum, the SOL, the XRP. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. In the Ethereum, same thing. We still have here the down channel as we show you before here. We touched the lower of it here. Now we're aiming the market to come back to touch the top here. Also, we're holding a long now in the Ethereum. We're still waiting what's going to happen. That's what also we're doing, guys, every time. If the market showing to us from here going to dump, even that one, it's possible, guys, because if you're looking at it, low, high, maybe from here going to give us another low. Even that one, it's possible because also now here in the Ethereum, we touch a very stronger zone. Let me show you those things what I'm talking about. If you're looking with me here in the Ethereum, guys, we touch here the 20 moving average. Let's see if that Ethereum going to bounce above. That's going to break for us that 200 moving average. Not possible. If it's not, guys, also we know how to manage those trades and how we are going to go out without losses. And that's why us every time we're telling you can join us. That is up to you, my friend. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Based on our indicator here, guys, in the Ethereum, everything's still looking bad here based on our indicator. If you're looking at it like that, we came here. Now we couldn't even come here. Let's see if it's going to break or no, or from here going to dump again. That's our job, guys. Also, we know how to manage those trades. If you want to see, you can join us. Now it's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Sol is going there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. In the Sol, same thing, guys. Also, we enter along from here till the top here. Why also we enter that long? Because we used to have here the downtrend like that. It's getting broke. We take from it more than 50% profit, guys. Now, what is it, the view? Because that one is very important, guys. Because if you're looking with me here, like that, and like that, guys, what you seeing is a wage and it's getting broke here. Where is the take profit of it? In the top here. Did that going to happen? We will see, guys. Because now we will see if we are just going to touch that downtrend here. Then from here, going to give us a new high. That's possible, guys. We are going to go back to the top here, $184. Also, we're still waiting what's going to happen in that Sol, guys, or it might that one just because it touched here that very stronger level, and those ones they put in pending orders in those levels, and maybe that happened to them. So I think I explained everything. We got something else here in the Sol. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, the Sol here based on daily, it's look a little bit bullish, but let's see what's going to happen, because even now the Sol try to give us here a big head and shoulder here in daily. Let's see if it's going to dump from here to give us here a head and shoulder. Even that one it's possible, guys, but the good news, the Sol it bouncing from that very stronger zone here based on volume profile. Let's see if it's going to go back to the 50 moving average, and from there we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days or coming hours, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, same thing. We got here the downtrend here is getting broke here. Let's see if it's going to pump again to $184. If it's not, from here we're going to catch a short. Even that one here, it's possible, guys. If it's breaking here, we can catch a short. Now it's going to see the XRP or Ripple what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. Sol is going there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP here, look at it. It came here, it give you here a very clear double bottom here. Let's see if it's going to break here. That means pump more higher than possible. Second scenario, guys, is it that one here, the downtrend here. If you remember it, what else we used to say about it, that one here. Also, we enter from here till the top here, guys. Now, what is it? The view of me. Maybe that one going to touch that one here. That's possible, guys. Another thing, which is that one here, you can even come and do something like that, like a weight or a peanut. All those things, it's possible, guys. Now, when it's breaking here, you bring that stick. It's telling us maybe we are going back to the top here. That's possible. Second scenario, what is it, guys? Let me show you something very important here. That one here, guys, you see the XRP touch the 50 to 100. All those moving averages, they are there. Let's see if is it from here going to dump. That's possible, guys, because even here in daily, it's breaking for us the down channel here. You see it or not? Let's see if is it from here going to pump again or from here going to dump. Also, we are ready for all scenarios, guys. We got here now that one here. We show you even that one here. We told you it might the XRP to give us here a big double head and shoulder here. Let's see what's going to happen. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. Based on our indicator, guys, you see that the divergence also we're talking about. We tell it to you. We show you here that bullish divergence. Now what is it? The view we got here a small uptrend here, but my view personally the XRP is going to fall down to test that downtrend again. That one here to do like that, then after to give us a new high. And also we are ready for all scenarios, guys. Also we don't care where it's going. Also we care to make money. If you want to make money from that market, no matter what is it the situation, exactly those days when market is met, you can join us. If you want to stay staggering, my friend, is up to you. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.